Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clear cache for Apex Legends on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Now, here's an important note before we proceed. Make sure you close Apex Legends first if it's currently running. This is crucial because Steam needs full access to the game files to perform the cache clearing process effectively. Once Steam is open and Apex Legends is closed, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the library option. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your game library where all your installed games are listed. In the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Locate Apex Legends in this list, then right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This opens up a dedicated settings window specifically for Apex Legends, giving you access to various game management tools. Now, in the left sidebar of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section contains all the file management options for your game, including verification and backup features. Next, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This is a powerful feature that checks all your game files against Steam's servers to ensure nothing is corrupted or missing. Steam will start scanning the Apex Legends files automatically, comparing each file with the original versions. You'll need to wait until the progress bar reaches 100%. This process might take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your system's performance, so just be patient while Steam does its work. After the verification completes, we're going to move on to clearing Steam's download cache. In the upper left corner, click on Steam to open the main menu, then select Settings from the drop-down. This takes you to Steam's global settings where you can configure various client options. In the left sidebar of the settings window, click on Downloads. This section manages everything related to how Steam downloads and stores game data. Now scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside this text, you'll see a button labeled Clear Cache. Go ahead and click it. This action will remove all temporary download data that Steam has stored, which can help resolve various connectivity and download issues. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear the cache. Click Confirm to proceed. Steam will clear the cache immediately and you might need to log back in afterward, but that's completely normal. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache for Apex Legends on Steam, which should help improve game performance and resolve any loading issues you might have been experiencing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.